I love that Whelen has a great mix of a pride in our product, a pride in our culture.
I have a long-standing history here, and it truly is the people and the care for each other that this place has. I love my team and the camaraderie that we have, and I just love the values that the Whelen, culture has, and I think that keeps a lot of us, coming back every day.
It provided the opportunity for me to grow and seek additional challenges, so it allowed me to move from the production department to sales, and I take great pride in the territories that I work with.
Our rep groups and our customer base is just amazing. They're really the reason why I get up and come to work every day and just try my best to do everything I can to help everybody.
I think when you're helping people and you're making a difference, it doesn't feel like work.
I think what I love most is definitely getting to be part of that full design process and getting ownership in the design. It really brings a different dynamic. Seeing your product out on a vehicle, there's just a level of pride that you get to have in your work.
Driving down the street and I can point out, that fire truck has our lights on it, or that ambulance, those are the companies that I work with.
It makes me feel really proud to work at a company where at the end of the day, I'm helping to help those who save lives. So that's really what that's about for me. Women in the manufacturing industry only make up 30% of the workforce. I'm happy to say at Whelen, we are over 40% women and growing. Something that I think is very important about that is just the ability to hear the different perspectives from diverse backgrounds and for women's voices to be heard in manufacturing.
We need that diversity of thought. It leads to innovation.
I think that women, they probably always think like a manufacturing job, but honestly, I think there's a lot of opportunity for women in manufacturing.
The concept of manufacturing has changed so much in the last few decades. It's no longer the dingy, dark factory type of work that you would expect. It's much more technological.
We go out and we see the products that we make here, and it brings pride, and you think, oh, I had a hand in that. I would never tell any woman not to go into manufacturing. I think it's great.
Representation matters. It's not just a male-dominated field. It doesn't have to be. Women can be in every aspect of the business, whether it's sales, engineering, production. We have our footprint there, and it's important to keep that footprint going.
I don't think that women should let a job in manufacturing pass by. Give it the chance, because you can do great things.
When you follow what you love, you'll be good at it, and the representation will change over time.
Being very curious and not being afraid to ask questions and to network, ask your friends what they're working on. I think that's the best advice I could give.
Don't be afraid to ask for what you need. Don't feel like you have to do it all yourself, and don't feel like you can't ask for help.
Don't be afraid to ask questions. I know when I first started, it was a lot to take in. You won't learn unless you ask questions.
You need a tribe. Make sure you find the people who can help you, especially the women. They're there to prop you up when you need it. Don't let people intimidate you. Be yourself and find a place where you're recognized and supported for being your authentic self.
Take paths that can give you further information about the industry itself, like higher education. And on top of that, just being confident because you can do this.
Pursue your passion. Don't take no for an answer, and make sure you get that seat at the table. It's important that you be there.
Set up your goals, achieve them with pride, and have a wonderful International Women's Day.